Hey beautiful people, what's up? In this very quick video, I'll be discussing if you are preparing for a digital marketing career, what are the steps that you need to take to get your very first job. That means no matter if you are from some other industry or already an experienced professional, let's say you experienced sales professional, let's say you are already into product management or into offline marketing and you want to switch your career into specifically into core digital marketing, then how exactly you can crack your first job, no matter if you are a beginner as well. Let's say if you are a college pass out, recent college pass out, and you are looking ahead to start your digital marketing career, what should be my next steps? So without any further ado, let's get started. First, get your skills. If I'm talking about skills, what are the major skills? The major skills are SEO, social media marketing, and paid ads. These are the most important skills that you must be having the moment you start scouting for jobs. Now, these are the top level skills. These skills are backed up with some of the common skills that you need to have. Let's say, for example, if I'm talking about SEO, if I'm talking about SMM, or if I'm talking about ads, these are the skills that is backed up with some common skills. Some of the common skills, like you need to be very much proficient in understanding what exactly marketing is. That means what exactly is marketing, the fundamentals of marketing. That means about the buyer's journey, about positioning, how to build a USP, how to build a marketing calendar, the 7 P's of marketing, the funnel. All these things you should be very much clear, right? Because digital marketing means, it's after all, it's marketing only. We don't have any other option. We don't have any other option than to go digital. So it's the reason it's digital marketing. Marketing is the base, right? So the very first thing, you should also be keen to learn marketing concepts. Number 2, content is the king. Make sure that you have a flair. You develop that flair of writing content. Now, this is a skill, you will not develop it overnight, but you need to understand, if you are into the corporate world, writing is one of the basic, fundamental and most required ability. Be it writing an email to your boss or crafting a message for your colleague, everywhere content is required. Number 3, web page building. Marketing is all about creating offers, and so as to create offer, you have to have a very strong landing page. Nevertheless, you should also be clear that the primary avenue of digital marketing is a website. This is the gateway to your client's business. So make sure that at least you should have a hands-on experience on WordPress. Last but not the least, when it comes to skills, analytics, understanding data is very much important. Understanding data. Recently, I made a video that what are the hard skills and soft skills required, and what are the foundation skills that is required for a fresher or a beginner to get started in the world of digital marketing. I will ask my team to put the video somewhere around the description or somewhere around the I button. Point number 2, make sure that you are also focusing on the soft skills. Most of the time, you develop a nudge that only and only you will be learning the tools. You need to understand tools are important, but that will serve only the hard part of your skills. Skills such as communication skill. If you are applying for a job, the first and foremost thing that will make you job ready, that how proficiently you are communicating in English with the recruiter. That is the first checkpoint. Number 2, your presentation skill. Because during the interview process, they might ask you to present. They might give you a website and ask you to review. They might give you a dashboard and they might ask you to calculate the CTR, or they might ask you to calculate the budget. They might ask you to create a social media calendar for 7 days or 3 days. So presentation skill is a must. That means you should be proficient in understanding how PowerPoint presentation works. Number 3, video making skills. Very important. We are in 2023. We just cannot escape from the skill of video making. Number 4, researching ability. Digital marketing is ever evolving. So you're just gonna run away. Let's say if you just think that I'll just take a certification and you're not reading, you're not researching on a daily basis, you'll be outdated. That means if you are not upgrading yourself on a daily basis, then you are downgrading. Moreover, if you are working in an agency, every once in a while a new project will come on board. That means sometimes you'll be working with a startup, sometimes you'll be working with an e-commerce client, sometimes with a B2B manufacturing. So you should have that keen interest towards diving deep into that industry and understanding how exactly that industry works. That means researching skill is a must. Point number 3, build your portfolio. When I'm talking about building your portfolio, that doesn't only mean that I'm talking about building a CV. It is also all about your social proof. Make sure that never hesitate to share your work on social media. If you're already a learner right now at a very beginner stage, no matter if you are learning and you are adapting the skills of marketing fundamentals, create carousels, create posts and reels, what exactly you have learned in your entire curriculum or in your entire beginner level program. This will build your portfolio, build your social proof, and eventually it will help you to build your personal brand also. And if you're doing it on LinkedIn, then definitely you are going to grab a lot of attention from premium recruiters. Then comes point number 4, start sharing your knowledge on social media. That means no matter if you are at a very beginner level, start sharing blogs, start sharing micro videos, start sharing tips, tricks, things to remember, mistakes to avoid, how-to articles. This will actually help you to do digital marketing, practice digital marketing on a real-time level. You might be thinking the moment I get a job or the moment I get an opportunity, you will start practicing after you get the job. This is the biggest misconception. You need to understand everything is in your hands. The first and foremost thing, start implementing right now. Learn by doing things. So start utilizing LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Quora to share your work. First of all, you will understand how the organic algorithm, the machine learning, the artificial intelligence tools, how the distribution tools work, how the hashtags work, what works on social media. So you'll create a strong fundamental before you go and face a recruiter or face a hiring manager. Now the most important step, start applying. Update a CV. Make sure that you create a quantified CV. Figure out that how exactly in the very beginning you can take a beta project. Like, let's say for example, if you are learning right now, approach a business near to your colony or near to your town or near to wherever you are dwelling, right? And help them, and no need to take any fees or anything else, because in the very beginning it's all about learning, it's all about getting that experience. If you are working somewhere, look out for a mentor for whom you can actually do an internship. At ADME we provide 2 months of paid internship for every mentees. It has helped a lot to all our mentees to crack high paying premium jobs. Today our mentees are working companies like Amazon, companies like Flipkart, they're working with companies like PepsiCo, they're working with companies like Group M. You need to understand internship is very important. That means undertake an internship. Never apply with a fresher at a 0 level experience. Don't apply with a 0 level experience. Make sure that at least you apply and keep your search as a 0 to 6 months of experience minimum. And the moment you start applying, make sure you download all the apps of all the job portals, Naukri, Monster, Times Job, LinkedIn Jobs. Download the mobile app version, update the CV, and make sure that the CV is updated with 100% completeness. And the moment you update your CV, try to upgrade or update your CV every once in a while. That means open your account every 2 to 3 days, go and just change the headline of your CV or just add 2 or 3 more keywords or reapply for something or re-upload your CV. It will keep your activeness of your CV higher than other candidates. This is how the SEO, the search engine optimization of the job portals work. That means the moment a recruiter looks out for a digital marketing executive or a social media intern, your resume will be ranking in the list on the top, right? So this is the trick. Next, go to LinkedIn Job. This is one of the best ways how you can directly get in touch with the recruiters. Now there is a catch at Naukri.com or some other job portals. You have high chance that you will be a consultancy will be contacting you, and getting a job through consultancy is always a hectic process. So make sure that try your luck by getting in touch with the recruiter directly, right? So how exactly you can do it? Go to linkedin.com, create an account, go to the jobs tab. The moment you go to the jobs tab, you'll find a job search option, right? You'll find a job search option. The moment you find the job search option, on the extremely on the top, you'll find the keyword for which you want to apply for a job. You can write digital marketing and all these things, digital marketing, SEO, and in the experience level, select entry level or internship level and select the location where you actually want to find a job and give on a search. You will see job postings directly from the recruiter, and most of the time if you look at on the right hand side, you will see LinkedIn will also give you the contact of the recruiter who has directly posted that particular job requirement. You can directly get in touch with them and you can write them a message saying, I just stumbled upon your job opening right now, just thought to check if the position is still open. I'm a digital marketing certified professional looking out for my next challenge. Here is my CV, and you can directly send them a CV to them. The next important thing, make sure that you practice mock interviews. You can do it with your roommate, you can do it with your colleagues, you can do it with your mentors and trainers, but this is a must. Practice will make you perfect. You will remain flawless when a problem statement is given by the recruiter or the hiring manager asking you some sort of analytical technical questions. If you go to Google, you will find enormous list of interview related questions to SEO, to the world of social media marketing and also ads. The next important point, stay up to date. Now, as a recruiter, most of the time, the moment I take an interview of a fresher, of a senior professional, the first and foremost thing I ask that what are the blogs, how you keep yourself updated, what are the blogs do you read, what are the recent SEO algorithms? Can you discuss few of the recent social media algorithms? What's in the hype in the world of social media? How do you think that AI is going to impact social media? These are some of the important things that you need to keep in mind. So keep yourself updated. This will show you that you are proactive. Next, make sure that you also remain prepared for the assignments that the recruiter is going to. Now, generally how the interviews happen, let me tell you. If you're a fresher, first of all, you get a call from the HR. They will check the fitment. They will check your expectation. Fitment as in, do you have a relevant experience or are you open to join as soon as possible as per the stipulated date given decide a date given by the recruiter. What's your experience level? What are the certifications you have? After that discussion, quick discussion, they will send you an assignment. Most of the time, the assignment, if you are at a fresher level, it will be around social media to create a post, or they will ask you to write few emailers, or they will ask you to audit their website. Technical audit is one of the best, most important primary task, most popular task that I would like to say. They might ask you to write a blog. They might ask you to create an ad strategy. Be prepared for those assignments. At Academy, we help our students to get prepared and hone their skills for these assignments. Every day we give assignment, and the best part is we track each and every assignment and we give them feedback on real time basis. Next comes, if you are in a tier B city or a tier C city, relocate. You have to come out of your comfort zone. You need to understand nothing grows in comfort zone. Today I have met so many students, college pass out graduates. They feel that they can get placed in a multinational company working from home. Yeah, the work from home culture has been popular in last few years, but the popularity is fading right now. Today we want people to be in our office. So also open to relocate. If you are in a tier B city, why don't you relocate to Pune? Why don't you relocate to Mumbai? Why don't you relocate to Bangalore? The environment that you will find in a metropolitan will actually help you to groom your personality from left, right and center. It's not the knowledge that will help you to skyrocket your career in any industry. It is also the environment, your communication skill, your confidence. Lot of things will improve when you relocate to a better location. So make sure guys, these all are the points that will help you to crack your very first job. All the best. And the good news is ADMI ने अपना lifetime mentorship program launch किया है. ADMI ने अपना lifetime mentorship program launch किया है, which is Advanced Diploma in Digital Marketing and Business Leadership. अगर आप एक इंडिविजुअल हो, फ्रीलांसर हो, एजेंसी ओनर हो, स्टक हो अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो करने के लिए, देन दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो इज फॉर यू. दिस पर्टिकुलर कोर्स प्रोग्राम इज फॉर यू. नंबर 1, 4.5 महीने का लाइव क्लास प्रोग्राम. वी डोंट बिलीव ऑन रिकॉर्डेड मटेरियल्स, क्योंकि रिकॉर्डेड मटेरियल्स पे आपका सारा कुछ मटेरियल आउटडेटेड हो जाता है. इतनी जल्दी से चीजें चेंजेस हो रहे हैं. नंबर 2, लार्जेस्ट लाइब्रेरी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. लाइव क्लासेस पे जो भी होंगे आपको रिविजन करने के लिए वो आपको मिलेगा ऑन एन LMS in an auto upgradable way. नंबर 3, 2 months ऑफ पेड इंटर्नशिप. अगर आप हमारे एडमी में, हमारे लाइफ टाइम मेंटरशिप में आते हो तो 2 महीना आपको इंटर्नशिप करने का मौका मिलेगा. प्लस आप उस पे इंसेंटिव्स भी जीत सकते हो, एक्सपीरियंस लेटर ले सकते हो, प्लस आपका पहला 2 प्रोजेक्ट भी आपको मिलने वाला है. फर्स्ट 2 projects also you'll be getting it from our end, right? नंबर 4, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट हियर इज अनलिमिटेड डाउट क्लियरिंग. घर पे बैठे हो, ऑफिस पे हो, अगर प्रोजेक्ट प्लान कर रहे हो, क्लाइंट के साथ मीटिंग है, स्ट्रैटेजी बना रहे हो कैंपेन पे, वट एवर योर डाउट इज, यू कैन गेट ऑन ए कॉल विथ हर टीम एंड गेट एडवाइजेस एंड कंसल्टिंग. राइट, वी आर जस्ट 1 कॉल अवे. ये लाइफ टाइम सपोर्ट आपके साथ रहने वाला है. नंबर 4, 1-to-1 सपोर्ट, कंसल्टिंग डायरेक्टली विथ मी. आपके पास कोई स्टार्टअप आइडिया है, आप कुछ एग्जीक्यूट करना चाहते हो, कोई पर्सनल चैलेंज है, बिजनेस रिलेटेड चैलेंज है, नो मैटर व्हाट, यू कैन डायरेक्टली बुक अ 1-to-1 अपॉइंटमेंट विथ मी. 13 years एक्सपीरियंस टीम. वी आर 13 years एक्सपीरियंस टीम पीपल. वी आर नॉट न्यू इन द मार्केट. हम लोग कोई कॉलेज के बच्चे नहीं कि ऑल ऑफ ए सडन सोशल मीडिया पे पॉपअप हो गए, कोई वेबिनार का आपको 99 रुपीज़ का झांसा दे के कुछ कोर्स हम ऑनलाइन सेल कर रहे हैं. विल बी वर्किंग विथ यू फॉर कमिंग रेस्ट ऑफ द लाइफ. राइट, 13 years ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, थाउजेंड्स ऑफ सक्सेस स्टोरीज वी हैव क्रिएटेड. आप देख सकते हो एडमी ऑफिशियल के पेज पे जाओगे, बहुत सारे सक्सेस स्टोरीज हमने बिल्ड कर दिए. आवर स्टूडेंट्स आर सक्सेसफुल लाइक हेल. बहुत सारे फीचर्स एंड बेनिफिट्स है. इफ यू वांट टू रियली बिल्ड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग करियर, देन यू हैव टू इन्वेस्ट हियर. एंड प्लीज रिमेंबर, दिस कोर्स एंड दिस प्रोग्राम इज ओनली फॉर सीरियस पीपल जो कि एजुकेशन और इंटेलिजेंस का महत्व समझते हैं. योर नॉलेज इज गोइंग टू बी योर पावर. अगर आज के डेट पे अगर आप रिजेक्ट हो रहे हो फ्रॉम क्लाइंट, स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो इनकम में बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव दैट प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल, इफ यू आर रियली सीरियस टू इन्वेस्ट ऑन योर सेल्फ, क्लिक ऑन द लिंक बिलो, डाउनलोड द सिलेबस, गेट ऑन ए कॉल विथ आवर स्टूडेंट सक्सेस मैनेजर. डिस्कस करो क्या चैलेंज है, क्या अचीव करना चाहते हो, क्या हर्डल है. आवर स्टूडेंट सक्सेस मैनेजर विल very professionally help you and will guide you how you can start your journey of learning with me directly. All the best guys. See you soon in my live session. The next batch is starting soon.